What's up, guys? TJ April here with another video. Welcome to Pallet Jackin. Now we got to get to this. This is a Bulq.com baby stuff.
Yeah,
kinda.
strollers
and stuff like that. I don't know how much we paid for it. Whatever we paid for it to be right here. And we are going to unbox it and see what we got.
Yep.
All right.
Let's get.
All right, so we are going to just go through kind of some of the stuff. We'll maybe look a couple of things up just to see what the cost is. I didn't print off the manifest because I think this flows a little bit better when we don't have the manifest.
Yep.
So we'll just start with this right here. This is a spoon.
That is a stroller.
Is it a stroller?
I mean, not a stroller, walker.
A walker, yeah,
Yeah.
a baby walker. And it appears to be never been opened. It's still factory sealed, so brand new. And I'm gonna go ahead and scan this one if you wanna.
Okay.
Go to the next.
Okay, and the next thing that we have is the My Breast Friend. It looked like a stool.
Did it say breast fan?
That's what it says.
That is what it says, ain't it?
Yep. And
All right, so that walker is showing on Amazon right now for $79.99. All right, so the next thing, I don't understand why we have a visitor in our video here. The next thing is a Upa baby. It's like a little cushion for a stroller, which goes good with the rest of the stuff that we have in this this pallet here. Ooh, that looks heavy. Hold on.
so this next one we have is a twin groove ultralight.
It's a double
Stroller.
And this one, the box is not in great shape.
No, so I can't tell if it's been open or not.
Yeah, it looks like maybe it was just damaged, maybe in shipping or something like that.
Yeah.
So we'll have to open it up and
Make sure everything's in there.
make sure everything's in there, make sure it's good. This is fairly large, so the shipping will probably be
$1,000.
Yeah.
Okay, that might be an exaggeration, but
yeah, it's gonna be expensive. So we probably will maybe sell this locally. Let me get the price of this.
yeah, you got your phone. Okay, great.
All right, this is listed for $201.48. And that is a Juvie, whatever it's called.
Yeah. Okay.
And the good thing about this pallet is that they don't really have a lot of stuff on it, but it's got a lot of high value different things. So
Where'd that come from?
I don't know.
That
what
is
this
not.
This ain't health and baby, is it? Whatever, it looks like it's factory sealed. The box is in bad shape, but it looks like it's. This is a Bed Bath & Beyond.
Okay.
This is a 36-piece, stain resistant, leak proof storage containers, which is really cool. This would be something good, especially I think for Christmas.
Yeah.
These are some of the things you see on Black Friday. All right, so it's showing for $69.99. That's cool.
Yep. All right, so the next thing we have is a Caboose S, whatever that is. So, look like it goes something to a stroller, maybe an accessory.
Oh yeah.
A car seat adapter. That's what it is.
Okay. So that's good. Now this one, like I said, we'll have to, the box is like it's in bad shape, so we'll have to test it, or open it up, make sure it's got everything in there. One of the things that I've learned with doing the pallets is you have to check everything and check it twice, because
Yeah, it'll look new.
Yeah.
But it might be missing one item.
Yep.
Or
And then it just, you can't sell it when it's like that. Or you can sell it, but you have to make sure you disclose exactly what's missing. $29.99.
okay. And this one, actually, from Bulq, it was a like new pallet. So none of this stuff is returns. It's not supposed to be anyway.
Right.
So
maybe chef pools or something like that. I'll cut my hand. All right, so for some reason, the guys on YouTube say the blinds are like an omen. They don't like blinds. They say it's hard to sell blinds. I don't know why. Maybe because some of them are custom cut if they're returned. But this one don't seem. It seems like it's probably not been cut.
Yeah.
So, I don't see all this barcode. $24.
Okay.
For these,
so we got those and
we got 2 more sets of them.
Yeah.
So they're probably roughly about the same.
Yeah, and we probably could sell those around here somewhere, like maybe on Facebook Market somewhere.
All right. They just fell over.
So I actually need this for my house because the one I got is like tall and overbearing.
So this is a low stackable shelf, shoe shelf. So it looks to be in good order. Let's see if I can find a barcode for this. Maybe, maybe not. No barcode. No barcode, so we'll just move on.
So we can go into the box. You want to do this?
We can go in the box. All right. Now these are a few little small things, which I like small stuff. This is a trap classic cushion. So this is a cushion that you would put like on your, like if you were, had like a little baby seat or something like that, this would be a cushion that you would put on there.
Okay.
So that's kind of a cool little thing.
All right, and then we got
nice
a
diaper
nice
bag.
little diaper bag, you know. You know, trying to get it dirty.
See, you know, throw it over.
Yeah.
All right, we have Good Housing Instapot cookbook, which is odd.
Right. Like some random towels.
Do they sell baby stuff at Bed Bath & Beyond? I can't.
I don't know.
So I'm thinking it's maybe Bed Bath & Beyond stuff.
Okay.
Returns, or not returns, but chef pools or something. This is a fast inflate pillow. I don't know what that is.
Dumb.
Oh. It's kind of nice. It's like a, dude, ain't nice. It's used.
Is it really?
I mean, it's a nice one, but it looks used.
Yeah.
It's like it's been through it for a little bit.
Yeah.
But this is something that, so what we found is that you can sell a lot of stuff on Facebook Marketplace. So this is something that I think somebody will jump all over Facebook Market. It looked like it's new. I mean, it still got the paper and stuff in it. So it looked like maybe it was somewhere and it got dirty in transit. So that may be something we can clean off.
Yeah.
Sell. Oh yeah. All right. That is the first box.
Let's get rid of that.
And the second box. Oh God, the second box got a lot of little stuff in it.
All right.
So we got some toys.
Yeah, this is what is this? Pillows, toys. It's a squishable minis. Comfort.
It must be something to throw in the bed.
For the kids, for the baby. Yeah, it's a little avocado, see?
Oh yeah. This is some sort of little, maybe a shirt or a bib or something like that.
This is a child tray, a double. It's Britax. Although I don't know how it's a tray. It feels kind of soft, but we'll have to,
Oh, something that you go, what does it say? Oh, a tray. Foldable, maybe it's just a foldable tray.
Maybe.
All right, this is a little, what is it, like a cute little bathing suit?
Aw, still got the tag on it.
Yeah, still got the tag on it. So these little things, you know, something, we can actually sell this online.
Yep.
It'll be easy as shit.
So, this is little toys for the bath.
Oh, yeah. We've got a Peter Rabbit Jack in the Box. I knew it was gonna happen. Oh God, now you get it back in there.
Oh gosh. All right, so we got, it looked like a mattress pad for baby crib, and another little toy. Who is that? I don't know what that is. Snow White. Snow White.
Let's see, this is a cozy carry cushion. It's like a little cushion that you put on a car seat, so when you're holding the cusp of your arm. This brand right here looks like it's kind of high end. It's got a red tag on it. What the red tag mean?
All right, so we got brand new washcloths, never been opened, and this is it looks like a bag for your stroller. It's called the gate checker. So I guess you can put your, if you need to check your stroller.
Okay, when you're on a plane.
Yeah, for a plane.
This is a upper adapter. It looks like it's just a piece for a stroller, whatever brand stroller this is. Upper Baby, we've got a couple Upper Baby things. Actually, we got a Upper Baby stroller over here we'll get to last. There's much little stuff in this box. See, this is a silky soft stroller blanket. Still looks to be brand new.
Got a Aqua Game. Look like pool toys. And another, this is a changing pad cover.
Okay, we have a back seat mirror. Box looks to be in good shape.
This is a random, it's a small, whatever it is. Gonna have to open this up and see what it is.
See what it is, okay. Yeah, and this will be our first time selling like little clothes and things like that, so it's gonna be kind of a different experience. We got two more of the mirrors here.
All right, so we got another sheet for a mattress pad for a crib, and diaper pants. Oh, and this is it's some clothes. I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it.
Look at that.
That's cute.
It's like a little
No.
cheerleading outfit.
Won't you look at this? Look how cute that is. If only if my kids was that small. Now they all grown and
Annoying.
yeah, they can't help it.
This is a Nubby on the go seatbelt strap cover. And
I got a crib sheet.
this is the thing is over. Oh, it's a 5-piece gift set. So it has like a little hat, maybe a bib, some pants, and a couple of little shirts.
Okay.
And a little basket. This is in a Ziploc bag.
Randomly. Aw, look at it.
It's like a little onesie.
So cute.
So you got the tags on it.
This one also. Look how teeny tiny that is. Yeah, it's definitely gonna be different selling clothing.
Yeah.
So we got a little Bulq, the little blue truck, which it looks brand new. It don't look like anybody's used it.
See, we got 2 of these fitted crib sheets, and they're new as well.
And we have the silky soft swaddles for the newborn, you know, when you swaddle your baby.
Oh yeah. Let's see, we have 2 strap covers. They're kind of cute. They got like little elephants on them. We have another little outfit. Another little onesie.
Yeah.
Put that back in the bag. And looks like some kind of dress.
Oh, That look like an Easter dress.
Yeah, look at it with little flowers on it.
That is.
Yeah, it's got tape on it for $32.
Yes, too cute.
Got a little tights with it. All right, so that is everything.
Except for this right here.
From the box.
Yeah.
Let's stick all the stuff back in this box. Not all of it, just that part. All right, next thing. I think this is our big ticket item here.
Yeah.
So let's see if we can lift this up. Ugh.
Oh, we got a bunch of those down there.
Oh, yes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. I already showed one of them. So we got like 8 of those.
So this is, you can't see it. This is a Upper Baby Cruise
this is what
stroller.
it looks like.
We'll pop it up on the screen right now.
Yeah.
All right, so this is, I think the big ticket item is what we were looking at.
Yeah.
So let's see.
Well, that was the barcode, but I don't know.
It may be cut off. Oh no, here it is. $549.99. Now this, the box looks rough.
Yeah.
But I'm thinking that we could probably do well on Facebook Marketplace.
Yeah, I think so.
Because we won't have to deal with the shipping. And I think it's just been shipped and it's just been rough mishandled. I think that's why the box was like this. I'm pretty sure it's probably brand new on the inside of it. But we'll have to pull it out and of course test it out and look at it.
Yeah.
And that's it.
Yeah.
That's everything. So I think we got a pretty good haul. Like I said, it's gonna be a little bit different stuff than we've had before, but we're up for the challenge.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
And we'll try to, it's not that much stuff, so we can probably get some of it listed, or we can at least inventory it. Maybe we'll get listed tomorrow.
Yeah.
Or something like that. So if you like these types of videos, please like, share, and subscribe. I really appreciate it. And we will see you guys on the next one.
Peace out.